Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I wanted to follow the release of my previous video where I was talking about how to use Suno and ChatGPT to generate songs in the vein of your favorite artist. I wanted to use it to generate another video about a different artist. So Suno is an AI software that you can use to generate music with or without lyrics, and the AI engine is amazing. The new version 4.5 is just out of this world, and it will help you generate literally anything you want. So the only thing with Suno is that you cannot tell it to generate songs in the vein of, say, Beastie Boys or Metallica, because it will just not let you. So to kind of go around this imperative, you can use ChatGPT to help. So I've got a few prompts there that I want to use. We're going to try them very quickly. It's a short video. So I've got Suno here and I've got ChatGPT open. So you can use it with a free version of ChatGPT because you can use the GPTs for free as well. I have a paid plus subscription of $20 a month, but you can use it with a free one. So go to your GPTs and then you can look for this one, but I've got it here already set up. It's Suno AI v4. It's used by about 3 million people. So I've got a prompt here in my notes. I'm going to copy it and then paste it. And I want this GPT to generate, so to tell me what is Metallica style of music as per Suno style description, because that's where you enter the style in Suno before generating the song. Wow, that's very short. Okay, so let's copy this and then we go to Suno, the create version, the create interface, and in the style description I'm gonna just paste this without the square brackets. I'm gonna try just to leave it, keep it there. Right, then I want to ask ChatGPT to give me ideas of titles of songs that Metallica could sing. Right. I think I'm going to pick this one. No Gods, No Chains. Okay. So I want Suno to generate a song called No God, No Chains, and I will go in the title and enter that like this. Then I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask one last thing. Can you write me a song with verses and choruses under 3 minutes in the style of Metallica called No Gods, No Chains? Under 3 minutes because I usually release them as YouTube shorts. You can remove that, but generally it's a bit hit and miss. I mean, if the song is long, it's long. You cannot really do anything about it unless you remove verses or choruses. Right, and then I will copy the lyrics and paste them. It's quite a long one, so I am really wondering if it's going to be under 3 minutes. You can deny that because it's not important. Right, then you go back to Suno, go to the lyrics bit and then paste it. One word of warning: anything in square brackets will be just an instruction to the software. Anything between parentheses will be sung. And here you can see it just want to so if I leave that in, it will be sung. So I will replace it with square brackets because otherwise we'll have it in the song. Okay, and then literally click create. Under 15 seconds, you get a song generated. Right, here it is. so it sounded like Metallica, really. I mean, I don't know if I like the rest. I will check the second version because Suno always generates 2 versions. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite a long song. This one was 3:48. I realized very often when I want to shorten the song, I remove the second last chorus and the bridge because I don't think it helps really too much. So I will remove that to make it shorter for myself, but you can do as you please, really. And then I will recreate a new version of that song. Right. Another thing as well, when you generate songs at the beginning of after being generated and being listened to, the song is still being created, as you can see there with this revolving circle, and the software doesn't give you the length of the song yet, so it will take quite a while to sort of be created in the background. So it's a bit annoying, but I mean, I guess it's amazing already, right? Let's listen to the 4th version. Well, as you can see, I've actually removed lots of things from the song, and now it generated the song even longer than the previous one. So I don't know, really. I mean, it really depends. I think Metallica may not be suited for shorter songs, but here you have it. So you need probably a bit of a musical ear or just to decide which song you prefer. You may have to create more than just the 4 there, or more than just the normal 2. Sometimes you hit it straight away, you get the song you need. That sounds amazing after one try, but I've been known to spend 2,000 credits on a song just to get it exactly as I want to. So I'm not going to show you how to release it on YouTube and everything. If you wanted a short, you can watch the previous video. But I just wanted to introduce another artist and then to show you how easy it is to create songs with Suno in the vein of your favorite artists. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another one soon. Thanks.